today. Welcome to Facebook Live.
I'm Jessica.
I'm Bianca.
And I'm Jessie.
Danielle's not here today, so that's why you get to see our faces. So are we
go.
good? Okay. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a craft, which I did probably about a year ago. I just found a wood plank at AC Moore, I think, for about $4. I was going to... This is the one I did, actually. I was going to paint it. I painted it white. I put the letters down, and I was going to paint over it so it would be like a knockout space. But I really just liked the way the Oracle looked, so I just left it there. So, it's kind of what we're going to be doing today. Danielle did this one. It's a little bit different. She stained the wood and then used like a workable fixative to get the aura mask, I believe she used. That was right? I think? Yeah. And then put the vinyl down and then basically cut this out so it's like a stencil. So still used vinyl, still used everything, but just kind of show you the different ways that we can do.
Hi, Marianne. Hi, Francesca. Hi, Deborah. Hi, Terry. Terry said, not missing this one.
So this little box I got from, Hobby Lobby a couple days ago. It was this color before, and then just picked up this little jar of paint. It was like 99 cents for acrylic paint, in any color paintbrush.
So very affordable.
Yeah.
And very easy to get. You don't have to really go out your way, go to a hardware store, get a special piece of wood cut. Like, you can really find these things locally.
Yeah, this one was $4.99, and then Hobby Lobby always has like a 40% off coupon, so I literally paid like $3. And got the paint for 99 cents and used scraps of vinyl. So very low cost. I mean, obviously if you're doing large pieces of wood, it could be a little expensive. But I like to keep things as low cost as possible and decorate my house with stuff. So here we are. All right, so today we're gonna be doing, I used Oracal 651 in 2 different colors, and we're using our Oracle tape as well. So I guess we'll start weeding.
We do have other tapes. Did you want to weed? Or
That's fine, yeah.
So we do have other tapes as well. A lot of customers always say, which one is the perfect one? Which one is the right one? Really, it's all about your preference. There are many tapes on the market. There's some with grids, without grids. Today we are using the Oracle, but we do carry, which we pulled out as well, was like our Caesar one. So, you know, there's other tapes there. It's just really your preference. You'll see as you start creating more sign and decorative vinyl designs, what you like and what you don't like. What's too sticky for you, what's not sticky enough. It's really all about your personal opinion.
I like the Oracle because I feel like it's the easiest to cut. It's super thin. It doesn't peel paint off things. Sorry. All right. So
You want me to start this
yeah,
one?
go right in.
Oh, congratulations, Deborah. She says she's retired now so she can watch more often.
Oh, that's awesome.
Welcome.
Congratulations.
And congratulations, one day.
I know. Only like 35, no, more than that. I don't even know how many years.
I'll be probably working until I'm in a wheelchair.
Until I can't
Ripping the
anymore.
movie tickets at the movie theater. Checking your bags at Walmart.
So you're not stealing snacks. All right, so just super simple design. It's going to say home sweet home at the end. I cut it in 3 pieces so that way I could measure it a little bit easier for myself. I could have left it as like here and then had the one that Jess is doing, have it like down there. That's a lot of transfer tape, a lot of waste. So I just cut it in the same line, make it super simple. All right, so I'm going to start this one. So I burnished it with the squeegee. Just get it done some more. All right. And again, there's, like Jess was saying about the transfer tape, there's no preference. You can use the Easy PSV, the Oracle. We have some limited quantities left of the Lumina, but it's really your preference. This is what I just had on hand. And like I said, trying to keep it as...
Someone asked for an overhead shot.
Oh, yeah, of course. All right, so this is the board, peeled it off. So luckily there are lines here to help me keep it straight. All right, I'm just gonna squeegee it on to make sure it sticks. Coming off okay over there?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm so used to working with HTV.
I know.
That this one you have to be a little bit more careful. Especially around the like little ends of the letters.
Yes. I'm peeling very slowly so it doesn't peel up.
And then before you zoom out, I'll put the tape on
Okay.
this because I think that's what she was wanting to see too.
All right, so then after this, I do see a couple little spots that lifted, so you could just burnish it back down with the squeegee just to make sure it sticks. All right.
So
Now we're going to, yep.
Do you have scissors I could cut
I
a
do.
little bit shorter? Oh, sorry. Sometimes we like to make the bottom just shorter and use your table. I don't know where that lint came from. And I have nails, and for some reason, there we go. So really just laying it down over top. And then what gets the bubbles out are our handy dandy
Oh yeah, I took them both, I'm sorry.
squeegee. No, it's
That's
okay.
why we literally had two up here.
So if you notice, since I left excess, it kind of holds it in place on the table. So if you're working in a flat surface or an open surface, which most of you guys have like craft tables and stuff for your heat presses and things.
And then the fun part is picking it back up.
Yes. And if anything gets caught, you just squeegee some more. Are you ready for this one?
Yeah, you're
okay.
I was gonna do that one first, that way I know where to put the sweet, so we're completely fine.
And then, once again, this is the beauty of sign and decorative vinyl. If anything gets caught,
Yep.
just be patient, take a minute, start again.
And if you can do it from the back too, if you want. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Apparently my cut settings were a little too deep for that, but that's okay. I'll just have to adjust it for the next time. All right. So go ahead and squeegee this down. Any questions, or just everybody still saying hello? So quiet.
Yeah, she said, the one who went to see the close-up, she said she flips it over and removes the backing rather than trying to lift. Great close-up things.
That makes sense.
Good job, camera girl.
Thanks. I'm catching the glare, so I was hoping, you know, with the tripod, it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah, it's looking good here.
All right, so this one came off a little bit easier. And then we'll just put that right in the middle. And then do the same thing, just peel it off. I always go way too fast, and then I wonder why it's not sticking, and then get mad at myself.
It's like therapy using sign and decorative vinyl.
It is.
Hi, Donna.
And you want to be careful too, because I don't want to pull any of the paint up, but at the same time want to make sure the vinyl sticks. All right, almost in the clear. No, you stay. All right, so then, all right, and we're done.
Very nice.
So a couple minutes using scraps and stuff I find at the Hobby Lobby or AC Moore, Michael's. You can go very, extreme, stain the wood, paint the entire thing, really whatever your preference is, what your customers would like. Just a great little craft. You can have the kids help paint if you want to, because that's always a good time. Make sure they actually get it on the wood instead of all over themselves, because I still have paint on me from just painting this 3 days ago. So, all right, so I think that's it, right?
Yes.
Yep.
All right, so if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment below. You can always send us an email. And yeah, so we'll see you guys next week.
And remember, any crafts you make, just hashtag ProWorld or add us so we can see what you've been doing.
Absolutely. Bye, guys.
Bye.